You know what I look for as a man, and I don't think girls know this? And it's such a good form of validation for me. Makes me feel like I'm really doing something right. When you're in that sniper position eating your partner like some fucking ice cream, it's not the heavy breathing, that's nice. It's not the moaning, also nice. It's not that little waterbed move that you guys do. You know what move that is. And y'all be just like moving your shoulders and flipping your head back and shit, looking like you're possessed by the horny spirit. It's not that, even though that's nice. I know I'm doing something right and doing something well when I hear your toes crack. Those big pops, it's almost like your foot's making a fist. I don't know if you guys hear it or even know what happens, but if you're doing what you're doing correctly, those toes do curl. And if you're doing a really good job, that shit'll sound like you're popping bubble wrap. I love, with a capital L, that shit. That is great. Sounds like when you pour milk on Rice Krispie treats. At that point, I know I'm in a fucking groove. That is my favorite song ever. If you put that noise on Spotify, it would be in my Spotify Wrapped. That's like a motivational sound to keep going. It's like when you have 10 seconds left in a fight and they clack the two sticks together. Like, fuck yeah, we're almost there. We're almost at the finish line. This is a good sound. It's beautiful. And I bet you didn't even know that your toes played instruments. So I know you don't know that you do it, but thank you for doing it. I feel like a fucking champion when it sounds like you're walking on twigs. And here's the beautiful thing. A lot of you will never notice it, because in that moment, your head's somewhere else. But my favorite part of this TikTok is I know a lot of you are going to try to listen to your toes next time you're in this position. But if it's going as well as it should, you won't be able to hear shit. But we do. Have a good night.